Hello students, welcome to 7th standard St. Thomas School. I am Suresh sir. Today I am continuing lesson number 3. The title is Courts and Their Importance. In the last session, we observed and understood how the goddesses of justice is giving verdict in the different session. Then there are few points given. Read and understand that the main points are: our country is a democratic country, independent and unbiased. Those who do not abide by the law are considered as criminals and benefit the judiciary at all levels. Let us understand the triangular of court system of India. Dear students, we are following IPC, Indian Penal Code section, under the different criteria of laws. The highest court of the state for is High Court. Gujarat High Court is situated at Ahmedabad. Then comes District Court. In our district it is situated at Bhavnagar. And next comes Taluka Court. We have Taluka Court in Maua. We have Fast Track Court. We have similar criminal courts and civil courts at Taluka level. Then goes for district and then High Court. Above all, please keep it in mind, Supreme Court is the highest court of India. The court at the lower level is Taluka Court. Such courts are also called as a trial courts. If you want to get a justice at local level, then you can apply to the trial courts. In trial courts, you are not satisfied, you have some confusions about your verdict, your decision given by the judge, you can go to the district court. After district court, you can approach to the High Court. Our High Court is situated at Ahmedabad. Then there are some case studies. The first case studies is about Hansaba's land. There was one landlord in a small town who is capturing land of everyone. There was one old lady, Hansaben, whose farm was near his land. The landlord gradually started capturing the land nearby. Slowly and steadily, the landlord encroached upon half of Hansaba's land or her territory and did not give her land or money in the return. So, in order to get this part back, she approached to the Taluka court. Both landlord as well as Hansaba presented their arguments in the court. The judge heard their arguments and gave verdict in favor of Hansaben. So dear students, whenever we feel that something is injustice to us, we can approach to the court even for our consumer rights, our education rights, criminal rights, civil rights are also applicable. It is applied for all, each and every citizen of India. We are without any bias, we should approach them. And there are some important points while we are approaching the courts at local level and district level. Only civil cases are heard in Taluka court. House, land and property cases are called as civil cases. In civil court, it can be filed. Judge will listen to both the parties and give its verdict or give its trial or listening arrangements and arguments afterwards whenever he is giving some dates. Lawyer also we can appoint from our side, otherwise public prosecutor means Sarkari Vakil also we can hire whenever we feel any injustice with us. Second thing, they have suggested if people do not get justice in Taluka court, they can appeal to the district court. Then next session we shall talk more about the High Court. Before going to the High Court, you should keep it in mind the highest court of our country is Supreme Court, and every state has a High Court. Our High Court is situated in Ahmedabad. I remain here. Next session we shall continue with the High Court. Thank you friends. Read well, write well and study well.